Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we gonna be making tea buns. Guys, there's nothing like fluffy, soft, pillowy, warm tea buns with honey butter or jam. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. In a bowl of your mixer, add the lukewarm water. It has to be a bit warmer than body temperature, between 105 to 110 degrees. Then we're gonna follow with the sugar, yeast, oil. I'm using olive oil, guys. You can use vegetable oil. We're gonna add flour. Last but not least, we're gonna add salt. Then attach the dough hook. Set the mixer on low, then mix to combine all the ingredients. Then set the mixture to 6 and knead for good 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how your dough should look. It should be slightly sticky and soft. Next, grease the bowl with a non-stick baking spray. Then we're gonna set it aside. Remove the dough from the bowl of the mixture. Then knead it, tucking in the sides in the bottom of the dough. The dough should be slightly sticky and soft. Place dough in a grease bowl, cover with cling wrap, and let dough proof in a warm place for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is how the dough should look, guys. Punch down the dough to release the air. Now we are going to divide the dough into 12 equal pieces. Making the rolls, guys, the same size ensures an even baking time. I'm pretty good at eyeballing it. But to be extra sure, you can use a kitchen scale. Now we're gonna shape into rolls. I like to make them nice and smooth on top. Pull the seams down into the middle, then give it a twist. Now let's listen to the music while I'm finishing all the rolls. Okay guys, all the rolls are done. Now I'm gonna place them on a greased baking dish. If you are enjoying this video guys so far, please give it a like, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so we stay connected guys. Just tap it twice, you'll get all the notifications. Next, we're gonna brush the rolls with warm milk. Now cover the rolls with a clean kitchen towel and allow them to rise in a warm place for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we're gonna brush the rolls again with warm milk. Our rolls are ready to be baked. We're gonna bake them at 375 degrees for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, the rolls are done. Brush with butter. Then we're gonna remove from the baking pan and allow the rolls to cool on a rack for at least 10 to 15 minutes before we can dig in. There you have it guys, fluffy, soft, pillowy, warm tea buns. Serve this with tea, soup, or you can just eat it the way they are. Guys, you need to try this recipe. If it's your first time here guys, welcome to Mama Boi's Kitchen. Please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and like the video, leave a comment down below. Guys, let me show you how pillowy soft this bread is like. It's so delicious. Make sure guys you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my